In this video series, we will discuss some of the unique challenges businesses in the manufacturing sector face when deciding to have a staffless lobby for their office buildings or manufacturing plants. The top 3 challenges for these buildings include visitor management, safety and security, and guest experience. Many manufacturing buildings choose to not have an employee physically stationed at the building receptionist area. While this staffless lobby approach saves the company on employee cost, it leaves challenges for the company to solve. The first challenge a staffless lobby presents is how the company will manage visitors and guests to the building. This is commonly referred to as visitor management. The top 3 visitor management challenges include: how will visitors be greeted? How will employees be alerted of the visitor's arrival? How will guests sign in? The second challenge a staffless lobby presents is related to safety and security. The top 3 security challenges include: without a front desk worker, how are guests granted access to the building? How can you ensure guests watch safety videos or review and sign safety procedures required for entry? And lastly, how can you track and easily review records about who visited the building and when? The third challenge a staffless lobby presents involves the guest experience. A staffless lobby by itself can leave a poor guest experience, leaving guests confused and unsure about how to gain access to the building. The top 3 guest experience challenges of a staffless lobby includes: how can you provide guests with a clear process to follow when they arrive? How can you ensure guests can speak with an employee if they need to? How can you present a professional, elevated guest experience without front desk staff? You should now have a basic understanding of the challenges presented when choosing to have a staffless lobby. In our second video in this series, we'll cover some of the technologies available to automate and address these challenges. If you have questions and would like to speak with one of our manufacturing sector lobby automation experts, contact us at 702-284-7300 or email sales@alicereceptionist.com.